Okay, hello from the examination room here at Trinity College in Dublin. Founded by Queen Elizabeth I. Here she is there, looking down on all that we do today, keeping an eye on us. And on stage is my good friend Paul Fairclough. Paul, would you try the mic?
Okay, testing 1, 2. Testing vocal mic 1. Testing. Thank you so much. Okay?
Yeah. And just go back and see if this delay speaker is doing something. Go ahead.
1, 2. Testing 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing.
Yeah, okay. And some guitar? Some guitar?
Guitar?
Yeah. Is that your D string buzzing?
Yes. It always buzzes. Buzz off.
So that's the podium mic there.
Yeah. Yeah, I can hear it well enough.
Okay, and there's a separate mix over here for the piper. Two mics. Two DIs. Vocal mic, spare vocal channel. And the lectern mic as well. And a spare channel.
You didn't have to have phone speakers on, did you?
I did, yeah.
Just a minute ago.
Yeah.
Are they on now?
Yeah, I believe so. Okay, I forgot the second piece of drape, but there will be a piece of drape on that stand. Okay, see you tomorrow, Chris.